Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog! This is me again. Hello! We're here at Balinsa Sayaw. This is how it looks like here. We're in a hut. All the tables are in a hut. So, and there's Polgy. Polgy! Polgy has her own bowl. We brought her own bowl here. But just gonna tell you what we ordered. This is the sinigang. This is the sinigang. It's called sinigang na pampano. Johnson just got some. So yeah, there. That's the sinigang. It has, of course, the meat. It's fish right now, and then there's eggplant, there's vegetables, there's radish. There. And then next one is sisig, pork sisig. This is like a delicacy here in the Philippines. It's pork sisig. It's crunchy. See? It's crispy and it's crunchy. I'm gonna get some. It's crispy and it's crunchy and it's pork and it's sizzling. And next is baked scallop. This is so good. Look at the cheese. It's melting. It's Polgy, sorry. Mommy. And then next one is the pancit canton. This is pancit canton. It's noodles and it's so good. That's so good. But we have the dipping sauce. There's calamansi, Cory's favorite, and chili. And then we're gonna give Polgy some of it because it's not that bad for her. There. And she's ready. Ready to eat na yun daw. Girl. Pancit and rice. Mommy. There. And then there's rice. It's best to eat everything with rice. Also, I want to give a shout out to Johnson. Hi Johnson! Just like and subscribe on Johnson's channel. So, there. That's all. I just want to show you my food tonight. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye guys. See you in my next vlog.